Leo, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na inyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances ngayong July 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see. Leo, kaperahan, money, career, finances, July 2024. Your overall energy is the Knight of Cups. Okay. May offer sa iyong possible challenge, the Tower. Uy, okay. And then your opportunity is the Hanged Man. Your blessing is the Ace of Cups. Okay. So I see a new source of happiness in your career, in your finances, in your business. Diba? May Ace of Pentacles dito. The Knight of Cups, I think, can be a job offer or offer for business, pwede ring ideas, no, na sinasabi or pinipitch in sa'yo ng mahal mo sa buhay. Halimbawa, asawa mo, no, meron siyang magandang idea, sinasabi niya na, love, subukan natin tong negosyong to. Or love, magtrabaho ka na. Let's see, ano pa? What is the Knight of Cups? Eight of Wands, okay. Maraming offer, okay? So, some of you, Leo, if, lalo na yung mga bago pa lang na magtatrabaho, like this is your first experience in job hunting, ito yung tipong marami kang in-applyan, tapos marami ring nagre-respond sa mga in-applyan mo. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, merong mga magagandang ideas na naiisip ka, no? So, it's time for you to take action. Piliin mo lang talaga kung alin dyan yung kaya mong panindigan, kaya mong i-handle, okay? Kasi pag parang kinuha mo lahat tapos hindi mo pala kayang i-handle, sayang naman yung energy mo dun sa iba kasi pwedeng mawala sa'yo, no? With the tower. Ito yung tipong binild mo, sinubukan mong itayo, sinubukan mong simulan, tapos na-distract ka sa ibang bagay, diba? Tapos hindi mo na pala maasikaso. What is the Tower? You have the Six of Wands. Nako, Leo, maaring may mga tao sa paligid mo na jealous of you. Pwedeng you are gaining a lot of attention right now or ngayong July. But be careful sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Okay? It's much better na stay low-key. But for Leos kasi gustong-gusto niyo talaga yung nagsa-stand out kayo. And kaya yung iba nakaka-attract kayo ng mga haters or ng mga naiinggit, okay? So pag mga ganyan, wag niyo na lang pansinin at mag-focus na lang kayo doon sa ginagawa nyo. Kasi pag pinansin nyo sila, parang iniisip nyo na mas importante pa sila. But for you, no, ito yung challenge sa'yo ngayon na kung paano ka makakapag-focus dun sa goals mo kasi I see success for you. Okay? Six of Wands is about success. So your opportunity is the Hanged Man. So meron ditong bagong pananaw sa buhay. Meron kang mga self-discovery. You are seeing the other side of the picture. Kumbaga, marami kang realizations. You have the World. Ooh, okay. Some of you may opportunity to travel or to work abroad, to relocate abroad. Pero yung iba sa inyo talagang pag-iisipang maigi. Pwede kasing may nagbabago sa pananaw nyo. Like, for example, dati, para sa inyo, gusto nyo lang loyal sa business ninyo or sa trabaho ninyo. Ayaw nyo sumubok ng iba. Ngayon, nagkakaroon kayo ng realizations na, teka lang, parang mas maganda rin na diverse. No? Paiba-iba rin kayo ng mga sinusubukan. Kasi maaring okay ka ngayon, no? Maganda na yung situation ngayon, pero meron pa palang mas igaganda. So, I see also some achievements sa'yo, sa trabaho, sa career mo. Some of you may opportunity na magtrabaho sa ibang bansa, abroad, no? Pero yung iba pinag-iisipan, no? Kung magiging worth it ba siya. With the Ace of Cups as your blessing, so merong bagong source of happiness. This can be a new job, a new career para sa inyo. Wow, with the Magician, ito yung tipong kaya mo gusto to kasi mas magagamit mo yung talento mo, yung skills mo, yung napag-aralan mo, yung mga abilities mo. And you also see this as an opportunity to improve your skills. Kaya parang para sa'yo na wow, this is ito yung tipong hindi mo na kailangan pakawalan. Oo. Dahil yung growth mo rito, no, malaki yung potential mo na mas umunlad, mas mag-grow sa career path na yan. So, let's see what else, Leo. Time to go. May ili-let go ka na. Oo. Maaring may magandang offer, so ili-let go mo yung situation na sa tingin mo hindi na sulit, no? Hindi na worth it na magstay. Iba talaga pwedeng may opportunity to go abroad. Peace. Yes. Gusto mo ngayon ng katahimikan ng isip. Maaring yung mga ipupurso mo ngayon sa career mo, trabaho, sa negosyo mo, is ang priority mo doon ay yung may kapayapaan ka ng isip. Kaya kung merong toxic situation ngayon, you will try to get out of that situation. Mas gusto mo ngayon, may peace of mind ka. Soulmates! Wow. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, you are going to be supported ng mga taong totoong nagmamahal sa inyo, really cares about you, na who believes in you. Some of you naman, magiging katrabaho nyo or ka-business partner nyo ay ang isang soulmate. Hindi naman porket soulmate romantic partner, no? Kasi you can be soulmate with your friend, with your parents, with your child, no? So, it seems na, kumbaga, you complement each other. Let's see. Friends. O, tinan mo, soul tribe ulit, no? So, that's soulmate as well. Togetherness, friendliness. So, I think you will have more friends, more connections that will help you grow your business, no? Mas mapapaunlad mo yung business mo dahil sa mga connections mo, or mas marireach mo yung goal mo sa trabaho mo dahil mas marami kang connections. So, people knows you. Iba sa inyo may worries. Bakit? Maari kasing may mga bagay na, yun nga, kailangan yung i-let go. At iniisip nyo, is it worth it na i-let go yun? Tama ba yun? Kumbaga, medyo risky sa part ninyo kasi, syempre, lalo na kung matagal na kayo dyan sa ginagawa nyo na yan, sa career na yan, sa business na yan, and you're not sure kung magiging best decision ba yan. But for as long as you believe in yourself, no, in your capabilities, your talents, your skills, you can never go wrong. Okay? Very charming. Leo, yung charm mo, yan yung aangat pa sa'yo, no? Because you know how to deal with people. Kumbaga, you are confident, no, sa sarili mo. You can talk to a lot of people. So, mas, kumbaga, parang magnetic yung energy mo ngayon. Be careful in making decisions with your finances. Ayun lang. So, medyo mag-ingat sa investments or sa mga spendings mo ngayong July kasi baka meron kang mapagkagastusan na na pagsisisihan mo lang. Oo. Na akala mo kailangan mo, hindi pala. Oo. Or hindi pala worth it yung pagkakabili mo. New rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. So, major change, major transformation, major shift. So, siguro yung iba sa inyo may bagong work, bagong projects, bagong business. Embrace the power of dance and movement to access your highest guidance. So, ito yung pagiging flexible, adaptable. So, may mga challenges man, kaya mong i-handle kasi very flexible ka at skilled ka. Marami kang kakayanan para ma-overcome yung mga challenges na yon. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye!